Okay, welcome to part 4 of registration and login, part 2 of registration, and well, let's just get to coding. Okay, now in this tutorial we'll be encrypting the passwords. I went over encrypting at one point in the login portion of this series, so that will require several changes in our login script. Not very many, but just a couple. So the first thing we need to do is check if it's been submitted. Go back up to our PHP. We'll say submit equals $_post submit, because that's what we named it in the form. Then we'll say if submit. So this will basically say if the submit button has been clicked, we will run this block of code. But there are some other values we need to set first, such as the full name of the user. Full name equals post, and in the form we called it full name, if you don't remember. So we can do username equals what we called it in the form was username. So you can see where we're going with this. We're copying basically everything out of the form, and we can just copy and paste this. For password, and confirm password. Let's just condense this just a little bit. And what I just realized was we've been calling them into post, but on our form itself we haven't set a method. All we have is an action. So we're going to need to create the method as post, and there we go. We just avoided a nasty error. And now we're going to want to put an MD5 encryption. Here, let's condense it up a little bit more. The data, we'll just call this data, form data to be more specific. We're going to want to encrypt it in MD5 encryption, which again I talked about in the first tutorial about logging in. MD5 encrypting it. Now we're going to want to strip tags from the data in case someone tries to make a username, like make it an HTML tag like an idiot, or any other tag that could be harmful to your site, because some can be malware. Save. Okay, but now to strip the passwords, we're not going to put strip tags before, because we don't want to strip tags off of an already encrypted password, because if it's already encrypted then it won't find any tags at all. We're going to want to strip the tags first and then encrypt it. Same with down here, just to be safe. So now we can test out what we have created. So we'll refresh. Oh, whoa, ouch. Okay, all unidentified indexes. Okay, so I tested it out, and what I did was I just echoed the username, took away all these errors after it was done, and I just said it echoed my username once I registered, like so. LOL. And so I'm not thinking that there's an actual error here. It just is thinking there's an error. So if we do this, it may slow down the script just a bit, but it won't be anything too bad. There we go. All of our errors have been removed from the page, and now we can keep moving. Well, actually, I've run out of time in this video, so now that we have all of that situated, we can pick up the rest in the next tutorial. Thanks, goodbye.